Alright, welcome to the first lecture of this course on what is Python. Well, Python is a high-level, general-purpose and a very popular programming language. Just like humans, computers also use multiple programming languages to communicate in this case. However, a programming language is simply a particular way to talk to a computer using instructions that both humans and the computer can understand. There are programming languages named after people, such as Ada, Pascal. Some were named after simple acronyms like BASIC and Fortran, and even a few named after TV shows like Python. Yes, you could be wondering, but the Python programming language was not named after the giant snake we all know as Python, but the language was named after the Monty Python's Flying Circus, which is a BBC comedy TV series from the year 1969. Python programming language was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and the language has grown in popularity among people of all ages and industries, thereby making it the language of choice today. A number of things about Python programming language makes it extremely useful for beginners. Most importantly, you can use Python to write simple, efficient programs really quickly. It is an easy-to-learn programming language that has some really useful features for a beginning programmer, because the code is quite easy to read as compared to other programming languages like C++ or Java, and doesn't have a lot of complicated symbols like braces, hashes, and dollar signs, which make other programming languages a lot more difficult to read and therefore a lot less friendly for beginners. There are several reasons why Python is the best programming language in the tech industry. Starting from AI and machine learning to web development, data science and analytics, building web, mobile and desktop apps, game development, and even cybersecurity. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means a Python program written on a Macintosh computer can run on a Windows machine, as long as the Windows machine has the Python interpreter installed. And also, the same program will also run on a Linux system. Lastly, Python language has speedy deployment and easy maintenance, thereby making it the preferred language of choice for tech companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a Python developer can go up to $105,000. So, you should consider becoming a Python developer to build a worthwhile and successful career. So remember, as you work your way through this course, programming can be fun, and don't think of this as a work. Think of programming as a way to create some fun games or applications that you can share with your friends or others, because learning to program is a wonderful mental exercise and the result can be very rewarding. But most of all, whatever you do, have fun.